Are you grocery shopping? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Are you gonna crash? In case you guys are wondering if they make baby tank tops that say YOLO. They do.
Uh-oh. Time for a bigger apartment. You want to turn around? Let's turn this around. First you.
There you go. All right, bud. Don't get distracted by the chicken nuggets. Okay, see you later. Have fun at the store.
Bye, Oscar.
Bye. Right into the cat litter. He's gonna go in his room and play, I
Bye.
guess. See you later. Bye, Oscar. You can see beyond what's right in front of you.